Want to play some tasty drum fills? Then you're watching the right video, because we're starting right now. What's up everyone, CJ here, I hope you're all doing well. As you can see, I don't have my usual mandala tapestries on the walls because, good news, my old studio has been repaired from the sewage leak from last year, so I'm starting to move over my stuff there. Yay! Aside from that, I thought it would be kind of romantic to make one last video in this room. But anyway, let's be honest, you just want to get to the fills already, so I'm just gonna say that in this video, I'm gonna show you 5 tasty drum fills that you can add to your practice routine. All my channel members out there can download everything from this lesson via the link in the community tab, so if you want that as well, consider joining the channel membership. So, without further ado, let's start with the first fill. This first fill works great as just a fill, or especially as an intro fill when starting a song. If we look at the transcription, this fill consists of 2 30-second notes and the rest are 16th notes. And the fill starts on the of beat 2. The sticking for this is kick, kick, flam, kick, right, left, right. As usual, I'm gonna show how I would play this fill, but please remember to apply it to your drum set. Let's try the fill at a slow tempo and gradually increase the speed. Nice, the first fill is done, let's go for the second one. Okay, this next one is a badass drum fill that works in a lot of different genres and has been well used by drummers such as Vinnie Colaiuta, John Bonham, Steve Gadd, among others. If we look at the transcription, you can see that this is basically a herta, but you apply the bass drum into it. If you don't know the herta, it can be played either with 2 16th notes followed by 2 8th notes, or as in this case, 2 30-second notes followed by 2 16th notes. The herta in itself sounds like this. This fill starts on beat 3 and the sticking for this is right, right, kick, right, left. If you want to, you can also end this fill with a flam. Let's try it out at a slow tempo and gradually speed it up. Awesome, you guys. On to the third drum fill. The third fill of this lesson is probably the most versatile fill ever. It sounds smooth and you can use it basically for everything at any tempo. It works every time.
60% of the time, it works every time.
Let's look at the transcription. The fill starts at beat 3 and it starts with a sextuplet 6-stroke roll followed by 4 16th notes. The sticking for this is right, left, left, right, right, left, right, left, right, left. Let's try it out. Great work, you guys. If you're still watching, make sure you're a subscriber before this video ends. I really appreciate it. All right, on to fill number 4. Another fill that shows you that you don't have to play something difficult to sound cool. If we look at the transcription, you'll see that this fill is just alternating right and left. The only tricky part is that it starts on the of beat 2 with 2 30-second notes. Let's try playing it at a slow tempo before speeding it up. All right, you guys, on to the last fill. The last fill of this lesson is all sextuplets or 16th note triplets, and the sticking is really easy to remember. For the first 3 beats, the sticking for this is right, left, left, kick, and on beat 4, you just alternate right and left. Just a reminder, I'm just showing you the sticking. You can apply it to your drum set and make it sound perfect for your setup. All right, my friends, let's try it out. Well done, you guys. I hope you enjoyed these tasty drum fills. Just as a reminder, if you're a channel member, you can download everything from this lesson via the link in the community tab. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and if you're not a subscriber yet, hit that subscribe button and the notification bell to stay updated whenever I release a new video. Now, if you want to learn some drum fills that can help you level up your drumming, then check out this video right here. Thank you so much for watching, everyone, and good luck with your drumming. I'll see you soon.